Well, howdy do, everybody. This is almost 2023. Yes, sirree, Bob, and I need to fix my camera. So sorry, I need to just do a little something like this and a little something like this. There we go. I thought I checked this before I went on the air. Obviously not. Well, are we prepared yet for our New Year's resolutions? Let's not say resolutions because everybody's tired of that. Let's say goals for the new year. Well, my goal for the new year is to, I got a big goal and I got little goals, multiple little goals, as in like, girl, you need to make more tutorials rather than just going live, because people can't just stop what they're doing and come watch your channel. It just doesn't work that way. So I need to reach the masses when they're ready to see me. So yes, I need to make more video tutorials in the new year. And I have bought a Christmas present. Wow, I'm talking so fast and so excited. Can't get my words out appropriately. So let's slow down and take a breath. So yes, I have purchased a present. Yeah, the brain's still here. You make me think too hard and the words stop coming. But, that's just me. So yes, I have purchased a Christmas present to myself so that I can maintain eye contact, not have to use my brain, because I'll be looking at I can say it this time, teleprompter. It's on the way. It's going to be here next week, so that I can maintain focus, read words, and not stumble over what I'm going to say to you. That's going to be a wonderful and lovely thing. Won't it be? Yes, it won't. It won't be. Yes, it will. And my hair's doing crazy things. Okay. Well, it's just one of those hair days. Can't control it. Can't control your hair. So what are we going to talk about today? Well, we're going to talk about some stuff. And we'll get to some other Elementor stuff later. Or will we even get? Let me look at my list. No, we probably won't get to Elementor stuff today. Although I will say this, word to the warning about Elementor Cloud. So I'm working on a project, and I'm not even centered in the screen. Hold on, let me scoot over. There we go, that's better. Because the camera's going that way, and I'm doing this because I think I'm looking in the center of the camera, but I've moved my viewport. Okay, stay on topic, girlfriend. Squirrel. Elementor Cloud. So if you are using an Elementor Cloud account, do not, I repeat, do not change or roll back from, hold on just a second. Let me just open up local just for a second so that I can get my brain and my mouth to talk about the same subject at the same time. Where'd you go? There you are. What version are we on now? Okay, let's go to chat. Local site. Yes, and spin it up. Okay, so I'm open. Yeah, it's one of those days. The hair's not working and the mouth neither is. Okay, squirrel syndrome. Okay. All right, we'll just hit update. Now, on Elementor Cloud, they are up to a version 3.10 point something dash cloud. AB or something. Anyway, I am working with a nonprofit organization for nonprofit. And all they wanted for me to do was to build them a wireframe. Basically, just create them a template, leave it uncolorized. I mean, I put colors in there like shades of blue so that they can go back in and reassign the colors, and then poof, everything changes colors. Page templates and a contact page. They have 5 focus areas. And so I just made them basically a 8-page website with a wireframe. And I saw that, let me just ask myself this question to recall what I did. Why did I roll back? Oh, I know why. And I'm just going to use Elementor here as let's just take a goosey gander at this page. So I'm going to hit this button And here we are. Okay, so I'm in Elementor, and as you can see on the page, we have 3.9.2. Now, the tools feature came, excuse me, I have to fix this because it's not right. Okay, there we go. The notes feature in the cloud account in the most current version of Elementor does not work. It won't show up. So I'm coming in here to 3.9.2, and I'm going to go to Elementor's settings, and we're going to go to experiments, and we'll go to the notes feature, which is probably turned off here. It is. Okay, so from inactive, I'm going to set it to active, and I'm going to hit Save Changes, and the little green light will turn on when we scroll quickly down to the bottom. So there's notes. Let me get my handy dandy pointer, and green light means go. Okay. But unfortunately, when you turn on notes, and I'm going to have to send them a message, because here's the story. I help the client. They purchased the cloud account, and then I got in there and I created while they were setting it up, I created my own username and password for the WordPress site, not for getting into their account. I don't want to mess with their account. So I made myself an admin as well as they are an admin because they're going to be making changes. So I'm a minor developer. I'm just the one who created the templates and the site to begin with. The maintainer is the guy who's got the access to the Elementor account that gets you into the WordPress account. You know what I'm talking about if you have a cloud account. So anyway, moving on. In the Elementor 3.10 cloud account, when you go in there and you turn on notes and set it to active, it will not show up. Let me turn off the pointer. So I just want to see if it works. Like in 3.9.2, they screwed it up. I don't know. So let me go to a page. Any page will do. All pages, open a new tab so we don't lose our place. That's wonderful. Let's go to the home page, edit with Elementor, and a new tab so we don't lose our pages. I have no idea what's going to be on this page. Nothing. Wonderful. Okay, so if I go view this page, notes is there. There it is. Okay. But, oh, yeah, isn't that fun? That pop-up. I created that pop-up. I just wanted to see. I was playing with the new pop-up features. You can't see that. Let me scroll up here. Notes. Notes is available here. Well, when you're in the cloud account, boys and girls, it does not work. So I need to contact them. And I think I'm going to contact them through my own personal cloud account, which is about to expire in the next couple of months. So I need to get in there and tell them it doesn't work. They may already know it because I let them know in the chat session I had with them that the notes doesn't work. So they are at least alerted to that. Sorry, I had to give myself a little more headroom. So there's that little nugget of FYI on the cloud account. If you have a cloud account, the notes feature does not work in the most current version of the cloud account version of Elementor because it's different. They have their own servers that do different Elementor things. You can't install all the plugins in the plugin library of WordPress because they've cut some things out. Yes, okay. George, I hear you and I see you and thank you. Thank you very much for that a suggestion. Yes, in the chat. So let me just put you on the screen. Come on, George, where'd you go? Uh-oh. Wait, hold on one more time. There we go. Bite-size video tutorial, small things that people might not know about Elementor. That is basically what I have. You read my mind probably 3 hours ago because I thought the same thing. All right, let's get to the chit-chat lesson list, the list of things I'm going to talk about today. Okay, so let me click on this and go to that website so that I can pull it up. So we know this year that Elementor acquired Strattic. Who acquired what? I can't remember. Did Strattic? No. Elementor acquired Strattic. Yes, that is correct. Now, I wanted to, I went over some of their, let me get rid of that. I went over some of their, I got the email. I can't pull it up on this computer because this computer doesn't have email. Why? Because I'm crazy. But let me show you, oops, wrong button, this one. If you're interested in Strattic on a $32 a month account for headless WordPress, meaning your WordPress gets converted into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If that's up your alley, well then here's Strattic. Yes, George, great minds do think alike. So, welcome to the directory. So, here are the tools that Strattic now works with. All of them work with Strattic. Ding, 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 ding. Yes, they do. All of them work with Strattic. We got ACF. We got things I don't know about. Beaver Builder, Block Survey, Bricks. Hey, Bricks works with Strattic. Calendly does. This is just, if you, FYI, if you didn't know this, Commento, Contact Form 7. Try to say that 5 times fast. I don't know what crazy eggs. Blah, blah, blah. Discourse works. Discuss. Divi works with Elementor Strattic. Donately. Okay, I'm gonna have to remember that. Ding, ding, ding. Remember, Donately. Okay. Elementor Forms. Event Smart, Eventbrite. Use embedded checkout to sell tickets on your website. Cool. Didn't know that was a thing. Good to know. Facebook comments. We're just going through the list. Bing, bang, boom. Really fast. Google Analytics. Good to have that. Gitment, a comment system based on GitHub issues. Ooh, hey, note to self. There are some things I need to look at. Google Maps. Wonderful, lovely. Gravity Forms. Gumroad. Hotjar. We're just, I'm wasting time. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Go to here, we'll look at the address if you want to look. Strattic. You can't see that. Isn't that a shame? Shame, shame, shame. Because I cut it off. Strattic, strattic.com/static tools. Static tools, not Strattic tools, but static, STATIC tools. Anywho, there's that. All right. Now, thank you for the thumbs up. Alrighty, so Strattic put on the, let me see if it's on the homepage. Case studies, yes, okay. Yes, okay, so I looked at 2 case studies. Sorry, let me show you the screen. 2 case stories of web companies that use Strattic, okay? So I know that I looked at Snowplow first. Which one did I put on the Snowplow? Yes, I put Snowplow on first. Just to look at the code, just to look at the website. So let's go take a goosey gander at Snowplow because I found a problem with their website. Oh, let me tell you something, y'all. If there is someone you don't want to look at your website, that would be me because I seek out and find all the things that are wrong with your website. That's just me. I don't even pay attention to things that work. Okay, this is Snowplow. I don't even pay attention to things that work. I pay attention to things that don't work. Okay, now here's what does not work with Snowplow. So what I did was I took a look at their site, blah, blah, blah. Let's go down here. Now, this is what's really cool. Now, if you're thinking that this was made with Elementor, no. I don't know what it's made with, but I saw no Elementor code. It was all yanked out. So they're not using Elementor with these sites. So I thought this was a beautiful, beautiful graphic right here in the center. Here, let me get the pointer so you can see it. Yeah, this graphic right here. Beautiful looking thing. And you're probably, if you're thinking ahead to responsive, how do you make something like that responsive? Oh, but shall we squeeze the browser? Yeah, let's squeeze the browser, shall we? Squeeze the browser down. They created and if you're creating wonderful and beautiful graphics for your websites, y'all, you need to think ahead about desktop and mobile. Because what they did was they recreated this graphic in a vertical graphic. Watch, watch, watch. Let's just squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. It goes down, it goes percentage. Yep, yep, yep. And then, oh, sorry. Let me get that out of the way. Squeeze, 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 squeeze it down. And then when it gets to mobile, boop, they replaced that image with another one that goes vertical. Wow, it's the same graphic, but they made it for mobile. Ain't that pretty? Y'all, that's just ingenious. Yes, it is. Just absolutely ingenious. I'm sorry, I'm going to do that again because that's just so much fun. Boop. Come on. Squeeze it down. Boop. There it is. Same graphic made vertically. Okay, I just wanted to share that with you. And let me show you what does not work. That Snowplow needs to fix. I don't even know what they do. Go down here, blah, 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 down, ding, 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 ding. All of these are graphics. Just wanted to let you know. So if you're thinking you're going to create something like this in Elementor, don't bother. Like to recreate this, it is a graphic. So you get your graphic program of choice out. Okay, did I miss it? Nope, here it is. Okay. Explore a first-party privacy-compliant behavioral data platform. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. In the desktop version, you see these wonderful and lovely tabs. Yes, and when you click on a tab, it changes the data on the inside. That's great. But what doesn't work, I see this is just the nerd geek in me about websites. When you squeeze it down, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it breaks. Okay, let's just go. Well, hold on one more time. Boop, there we go. We're in mobile now. Now we got to find it because here we go. This is what I found wrong with their website. Data product management. That's great. If somebody went to your website and saw that you saw this, you wouldn't know that you would have to click on this to change these. You would just keep on, you'd show up at the website on your mobile device and go, Behavioral Data Console, great. That's just, I would not think to click on that. So even if they made the text smaller and put the labels back on top, maybe. Otherwise, they're never going to know that data governance, data product management, and compliance is something to click on because the labels are not there. That's just me. Just saying. The mobile visitor might miss all of that juicy information if they're looking for it. It takes an interesting mind to find that. But anyway, that was the only thing that I found wrong with that website. And before I get to the next version of Strattic websites, let me tell you a story. Alrighty, so Christmas just happened. And one of my nephews got an Oculus for Christmas. If you don't know what an Oculus is, oh, but let me show you. And not everybody, but those of the people in my house who had never experienced an Oculus. Here's an Oculus. Yes, it is the virtual reality headset. He has a Quest 2, a Meta Quest 2. Y'all, you talk about virtual reality. It's very scary. I'm just going to call it scary, real, because my nephew was so funny. He was testing my constitution, and I have a pretty ironclad constitution. He set me up on a dadgum roller coaster. He put me on the roller coaster, and I had my hands there, and I was clicking. There was a menu system in front of me, and I clicked and I chose the roller coaster car, and then I had to grab the roll bar and pull it down, and then poof, there I was, and there was the track going on in front of me. So yeah, just to let you know, I am one of those kids that grew up in the 80s and 90s with Atari, and then it was Nintendo, and then for me it was Wii. So I have, you know, the Wii platform. It had the little controller that you could play tennis and baseball and all that kind of stuff, and golf. So this girl who likes web design grew up playing video games. Now, do I have an Xbox? Yes, I do. Do I only play like 2 games? Yes, I do. I don't play those shoot 'em up games because I don't like those. So at any rate, I want to show you one of the Strattic websites that I think fails. I'm not saying Strattic fails. I think that the reason why I told you that story is because put your seatbelt on. You're going to get sick looking at this website. Okay, here we go. Let me click on the website. Oh, it makes me sick just looking at it. Hold on. Let me switch it. All right, here we go. Yeah. If you're easily motion sick, look away from the screen. I can't even look at it. I say this is a bad VR experience. Whoa, Nelly. Okay, I'm going to switch back. Turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. It's going to make me sick. That kind of fast movement, I can't handle that. And if you're wondering what that website was, okay, hold on just a second. Oh, I got to go back. All right, hold on, let me go back. I can't go back. Let me go back one more time. Okay, here it is. Oh, wrong button. There it is. It's this Rapid, R-A-P-Y-D, I think .com. Hold on, let's read more. Rapid. All right, it's, hold on. Now I lost it. It's rapid.net. Rapid.net. Here we go. Put your seatbelt on. Okay, turn it off. Rapid.net. I don't even know what they do because I can't get past that part. Oh my God, big mouth coming at you. Y'all, I've had enough of this one. Woo! All right. Let's hit the reset button. Wowee. Okay. So yeah, bad VR experience. But needless to say, I am quite interested. Quite interested. I'm not hitting the right button. I'm very interested in the Oculus. Oculus Quest 2. They have a lot of games. Let's see, apps and games. They have hundreds of apps and games. They're having a sale right now, but I can't quick fire buy one real quick. But yeah, they do have lots of good games. Some of them are free. Some of them are, let's just go top selling. Let's look at that category. Animation is overwhelming. You betcha. Yeah, I know I don't like it. Yeah, let's make our website visitors throw up when they watch our site, when they get to our site. So yeah, so you, first of all, you got to dish out $400 for the headset. We're back talking about Oculus. And the games, you know, we're looking at, you're dishing at 31, 30, 30. They're having a sale because normally they're 39 and they bumped them down to 31. So just know if you get an Oculus, you're going to have to cha-ching ching pop out at least $20 per game. Average $20 per game. The Walking Dead. Yeah, I understand this one's pretty interesting. I'm not all into shoot 'em up. But you got ping pong, there's a tennis game, there's poker. Hey, bowling? Oh, I'm all over that. They got dance games, building games, fishing. Now, hey, that's right up my alley. Fishing. It looks very kidsy, and it's not like real. The Xbox fishing simulator is where it's at. But so yeah, there's another bowling game, warplanes, you know, all kinds of shoot 'em up, slash 'em up, football stuff. So yeah, I'm interested. It might be something I save up for in the new year. Because, you know, let me tell you something. It is the 22nd century immersion of virtual reality. I'm telling you, it's real. I mean, it is real, but I'm saying your experience, like it takes the room. It has motion sensors on the handsets and on the headset you're wearing. And it has a little thing in it you can put, so you have, if you wear glasses. Yeah, it takes the video from the room and overlays video on top of it. So it's inside video and outside video merged into one, if that is a thing. Oh, look, first-person tennis. Wow. Okay. See, I used to play tennis back in the day. And let me tell you something. People may work up a sweat. There's, you know, follow the dancer, you know, that kind of thing. And football. Oh, my nephew he was throwing a pass in football, and they have a metal chandelier, and he whacked it. So we'll end with the Oculus. Okay, so now let's talk about, maybe you knew about this and maybe you don't. All right, so how am I going to do this? First of all, I'm going to take that, right click. Can I save it? Yes, I can. Can I put it in the browser? Yes, okay. So I'll just put it right there. And we'll hit the button right there. Okay. WordPress has a vulnerability. I think if anybody uses the iThemes security plugin, you get every day and every site you have installed iThemes security plugin on, which in my case would be about 5. You get 5 emails a day telling you about this vulnerability in WordPress 6.1.1. What does it mean? I'll tell you here in just a second. It has to do with the pingbacks. There is no WordPress fix for it. So what I have done is, in the iThemes plugin for security, I've turned off pingbacks and that. All right, I put the, let's click on this. Okay, so here's the thing. It tells you the disclosure. I'll put all these links in the description when this is over, so that you'll see this. So you can click on these links. You know, they'll be down below in the replay. So there is, let me go down to the very bottom. Sorry, making you throw up, going too fast. There is this temporary workaround to remove the handler for pingback. Basically, that's what I was looking for, this XML RPC endpoint in the iThemes security plugin, and hopefully in WordFence and all these other security plugins, that there is a way to turn off the XML RPC endpoint within the security plugin. And if you don't have a security plugin, and this is news to you, please go add this filter to your functions.php file, if you know what that means. If you don't, I would contact your hosting provider, because they should have something on the server. I was literally, when I read this earlier today, I was gonna contact SiteGround and say, have y'all done this on a server side to protect us? I'd say if you're a reputable site hosting provider, you would do this. But anyway, here's the schematic of how the hackers get in. I don't know what it means. You can read it at your leisure. It will be down there in the description. If you're watching it live, you'll have to wait, George, for the link to all the juicy tidbits about this vulnerability. So, can I make a note to your viewers in case the watch? Yeah, please make a note. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so yes, there is a WordPress 6.1.1 vulnerability. Let me get you something better to see. And you need to turn off pingbacks and the XML RPC. So that's all you can do right now is turn off pingbacks and turn off XML RPC in some type, form, or fashion. It's the only way that you can save yourself from this, because WordPress is obviously not in a hurry to fix this because it's been out for a while, at least a month, if not that much more. So yeah. So yes, hold on, just let me go back here. And I'll put the screenshot, this screenshot I'll put in the community tab. Y'all need to check out the community tab because I put vital information that is a need-to-know basis in the community tab of this YouTube channel. So yeah, check that out. All right, what have I got next? It's going to be a quick show. I'm already 30 minutes in. Okay. So I think these two things that I'm about to show you are Chrome plugins. Chrome plugins. All right, let me pull this up. All right. Yes, this one is called, Fonts Ninja. Fonts Ninja. Speed up your design process. Access more than 3,000 popular fonts and instantly try them in any design software. Dinesh reminds hard to do. Did you need to hack your server? Okay, George is in the know. George is a network guy. And SiteGround won't let that happen. Okay. All right, so I guess WordPress is not in a hurry to do it because it's a hard hack, I guess, is what you're trying to say, George? Yeah, SiteGround wouldn't let that happen. All righty, so Fonts Ninja overview. Try Fonts Ninja for free. Oh, it's a paid product for free. Usually for free means it's only free for a while. Okay, try fonts without buying them first. Discover fonts and try them instantly. Try fonts in any design software and have fun and improve your design process. Oh, well, isn't that fun? All right, let's design without limitation. More choices, better design. Isn't this cute? Look at all these little videos. That's nice. Fonts Ninja. Okay. There's the price. $29 a year. Design with fonts before buying them, but yet you have to buy the product. Maybe it's a curated list of 3,000. Okay, I didn't look into any of this. How to use the app. All right, let's look at this one. Download Fonts Ninja. Download the desktop application. You can try Fonts Ninja right away for free. No credit card required. Okay. When the download is complete, open and drag the Fonts Ninja into the application folder, blah, blah, blah. You can also download our free browser extension to identify font on any website and try them right away. Okay, so I'm not going to install the plugin right now, but I will do it over the weekend and come back and let you know my findings on the Font Ninja application. You need to buy the tool, but then buy the font. Yeah, I'll give you more information about this Fonts Ninja. Fonts Ninja application, browser extension. All right, so that's that. And then we have another one, another browser extension. Let me take a look at this one. This one's called SVG Export. Download SVG from any site with ease. Add to Chrome. It is another Chrome extension. Features, blah, blah, blah. Bulk export, la da 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 da. Pick and choose which SVGs you'd like to bulk export them as a tidy zip file. SVGs can be styled with CSS in the page's style sheets. We inline some important styles to keep them looking as good as they do on the page. Oops, sorry, right click. Sketch, Figma, Framer, and Code. Alrighty, convert, resize, and rename. 590,000 SVGs downloaded. Well, I will let you know about this one too. I'm going to, Fonts Ninja and SVG Export, I will tinker with over the weekend and let you know how it works and come back and give you a demonstration. So that's pretty much all I've got for you today. The New Year's coming. Has everybody had like a Christmas hangover, like physically and mentally, emotionally? I'm telling you what, it's just, woo. I woke up the day after Christmas. So you're wondering, yeah, this is later in the day for me, 1 o'clock for coming online. And I told you that I was working on the alpaca farm. I quit. It was taking too much of my energy. And if I'm going to do what I want to do for the new year, which is create an Elementor course for beginners, you know, there's 5,000 of them out there on the internet. And I just think that I could do it a whole lot better. Yeah, right. But yeah, I mean, just no coding skills, no skill whatsoever. You know, some people assume you have skill. The class I'm building is, if you don't have skill, I'm going to explain everything you need to know. So I'm wanting to make a course by the end of this year, hopefully. And EleWebDev itself has been on YouTube for 8 months. And so I just want to say thank you to all of you viewers out there. All of you, hold on just a second. You know, I'm just having a problem. Okay, open a tab, girlfriend, and click on that and go here. Yep. And go to your own YouTube channel right here. All 283 of you, I want to say thank you for a wonderful year-end 2022, and I hope to get more subscribers throughout the year. Please, you know, share the love and let everybody know that EleWebDev is a place for edutainment, especially on the live shows, where if you want to see a girl make fun of herself and trip over words and have squirrel moments, you know, and entertain you with web development news, yep, this is a place. I make it fun. And if it ain't fun, why am I doing it? So yes, thank you all, 283 of you. I have 11,000 views. I uploaded 60 videos. Let's see. Let's go to my analytics. Where is my analytics? I would have to go to the right place, which is my YouTube studio. Thank you, George. Yes, thank you. You are one of all of my viewers. All right, where are the analytics? Here we are. Yes. 1,000 views, 41 hours of watch time, and my highest count in one day of people looking, that was a live stream. I remember that one spooked me. All of a sudden I had 30 people watching at one time, and I was like, oh, I thought somebody was scamming me. So in one day I got 148 viewers. on a chat session, one of my live shows. And this is what's so funny. I find this hysterical. Yeah, I'll switch the screen. This one right here, I lost it was getting close to Christmas and I was losing my mind. And I made 2 videos. One on December 6th, Elementor 3.9, save as default. And then if we come down here, November 9th, I made an Elementor 3.9, save as default. Guess who checked out and wasn't paying attention to the videos that she published? This girl. And so the first one I made in November, because it was a futuristic feature coming from the developer beta plugin. That one got 97. And then the one that I made on December 6th, honey, it's been viral in my world. 224 people have liked the newer version rather than the older version. So I don't know what that's about. But I apologize for having a brain donor moment and forgetting that I actually recorded a video with the same title. And how to find deleted templates in Elementor. That's a hot one. 166 people like that one. We're not even going to go to the amount of people that watch the video. I mean, it's only a minute and a half. And yet only 36.9% is watched. I mean, my percentage of view is horrid. 46%. Do I get to the point and ramble on? I don't understand. Because of a minute and a half, not even 50% of the video is watched. That doesn't make any sense. Only 41% of the other one was watched. And that's the first version of the 3.9 save as default. Yo, what is this? Is there anybody who's watched a video that is made it over the 50% mark? Why do people abandon my videos? I mean, look at this. 2 minutes. You can't watch a video for 2 minutes. And people are abandoning me at 30% of watch time. I'm not even going to try to explain that one. Or understand it either. There's 2 people watching now. I saw this right here. That little blinking light right there. And I noticed there's 2. So, hello, viewer. You don't have chat access yet. You'll have to subscribe for that. And hit that bell notification so that you know when I go live, which is usually once a week. And then you'll just have to check in when I make a video. So yeah, that's just some highlights of this year's YouTube channel that's been on the airwaves for about 8 months. So let me see something here. Let's go lifetime. Let's say lifetime. Oh, wow. Watch time is 667 hours of watch time for the lifetime of my YouTube channel. And I've had 11,300 viewers. Not viewers. No. I don't have viewers. Views. People who have individually looked at a video. And I'm going to say half of that view traffic. Yeah, I have multiple accounts and I go in and like my own videos. All right. But yeah. So that's about all I've got for today. It's a quick, short show of interesting information. When this stream ends, I will make sure to put all of the talking points and links that I showed you today in the comments down below so that you can click along and see the websites that will make you vomit. Rapid, rapyd.net will make you throw up. So I wish everybody out there a happy new year. And I hope that you have challenging goals for yourself to get more confidence in whatever it is you do, whether that's being a web developer or learning a new coding language or learning Elementor is on your list of things to do. I'm here to help you. reach out, say hi, email me, fill out the form on my website. I don't think I have a form. I don't like forms. But anyway, leave a message in the comments in one of my videos and I will respond to the comments. Let me just check it and see if anybody's written a comment lately that I haven't replied to. Nope, I'm all caught up on my replies. So yeah, don't be shy. Say hi in the comments in the videos. If you have a pain point and you need somebody to explain it to you, drop me a note and I will help you by making a video if you're stuck on something. So, thank you very much. Y'all have a happy new year and y'all reach those goals with confidence. Bye now.